one out of these four options given is not correct about this. Question says one of the following statements is false about I, J, K, L, M, symbolically represented as this, and this. That is, one out of these four options given is not correct about this. Let's begin with option A. Option A says that L is an isotope of hydrogen. This is L, is an isotope of hydrogen. Is it correct? Yes. What is an isotope? We said that in an isotope, they have the same atomic number, but different in what? Mass number. You know, in hydrogen, we have hydrogen in this form. Let me say we have majorly three isotopes of hydrogen. The first one has all of them. They have the same atomic number. This is the atomic number, atomic number, atomic number. We said in isotope, they have the same atomic number, but different in what? In mass number. So the first one has a mass number of this, which we normally know as our hydrogen. Another name for this one is called protium. Protium. Why this one that has a mass number of 2 is called what? Deuterium. Why this one has a mass number of 3? You can see the mass number. The first one has a mass number of 1, mass number of 2, mass number of 3. So this one that has a mass number of 3 is called tritium. Tritium. All of them are still what? Hydrogen. They are called isotopes of what? Hydrogen. They are referred to as isotopes of what? Hydrogen. So this one is probably correct because it has atomic number of what? 1. Tells us that it is an hydrogen, but the mass number of 3, and that 3 is called what? Tritium. So it's an isotope of what? Hydrogen. That one is correct. Let's look at M. M says, let's look at option B. Option B says MO is a noble gas. Is that correct? What's a noble gas? Noble gas, they are also referred to as group 8 elements. Okay, let's look at it. It says MO is a noble gas. What is the atomic number of M? This one down here is the atomic number. Atomic number. Atomic number. It said the atomic number is 10. If the first orbital take 2, comma, that is the first orbital take 2. If you subtract 2 from this, we are left with what? 8. So the next orbital will take what? 8. 8, 8, 8, 8. This is 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So let me put the next one here. So it takes 8. The last number here is referred to as the group. And what is the last number here? It's group 8. Group 8, another name for group 8, you can call it noble gas. You can also call it as what? Group 0. So we can say that option B is perfectly what? Correct. Option B is perfectly correct. Okay, let's look at option C. Option C says J and K are isotope. J and K, they are isotope, is perfectly correct. Now, atomic number of 9, atomic number of 9. We said in isotope, they have the same what? Atomic number, but different in what? Mass number. So we can say that which elements have atomic number of 9? It's called what? Fluorine. So it's probably what? Correct. A, B, C are correct. Okay, let's look at option D. Option D says L, J, M, and I are metals. Let's look at it. Is it correct? Is L a metal? Is it not a tritium? Is it not an isotope of hydrogen? Is hydrogen a metal? You can say that hydrogen is not a metal. Hydrogen is a what? Is a gas. You see, this one is not correct. Let's look at J. Is J a metal? J is a fluorine. Is fluorine a metal? Fluorine is not a metal. So it is wrong. M, it said M now is a metal. What is M? What is M? What is M? M is a metal. Is M a metal? M is not a metal. What is M? Which element have atomic number of 10? Is it not a neon? Neon. Is it noble gas? Neon. Is it a metal? It's not a metal, it's a noble gas. So it's wrong. I, this is I. Is I a metal? Which element have atomic number of 12? That is magnesium. And magnesium a metal? Magnesium is a what? Is a metal. 12. The first orbital take 2, second one take what? 8, the last one take 2. Is a metal. It's group 2 elements. Group 1, group 2, group 3 elements. They are what? They are metal. Group 1, group 2, group 3. Although in group 1 it is only hydrogen that is not a metal, but it is partially. We let me just say for convenience sake, hydrogen is classified as group 1, but it's not a metal. But others are metals. This one, group 2, they are all metals. Group 3, aluminium family. So they are metals. They are metals. Okay. Group 2 is a metal. So we see that in this option, it's just only this one that is correct. But since it is only this, others are not correct. You can see this one is not perfectly correct compared to this option A, B, and C. Option A, B, and C are perfectly correct. But option D is not perfectly what? Correct. It's not perfectly correct because these are false. So the correct answer, that is not perfectly, that is a false there, is option what? Option D. Option D. It's not, it's a false. It's a false. Okay. Do well to subscribe for more tutorial. See you in my next video. Like, comment, and share. Thank you.